Oh, boys copping up out there. They got the DR10.
Hold on, we're gonna show you the box.
They came to the event, now they open, huh? They trying to get in.
Nah, man. He about to put a creep.
Hey, Johnny brought some of the fellas out of retirement.
You feel me?
So that they fucking...
Check Johnny DR10 out. My man running 8S in this street eliminator, yo.
Yeah, baby.
Nah, he about to test and tune that thing, see what it's got.
Oh, we start cooking on the grill, he's gonna stop by.
Now they got that murder Nova out over there. Oh, a nice rollout right there. You got a street eliminator versus the armor infraction. No, you go up. No.
Oh, I beat you, bro. What you mean?
Ooh, that thing's sailing in the big end.
Red light, nigga.
You can still use more boost. Oh,
Come on.
he took you out.
Yeah, you in his lane.
Oh, I did.
In the south end, I bet 50 on who? Who you want? Who you want?
Oh no, Jet! Yo!
I can't, the sun's in my way.
Yo, you! Son killing it.
Yo, let's get it. Have fun, man. We live a life. Ah! Got him.
Johnny Red Lighter. Started eating. Right there. He was up in the... Oh yeah, he's 60.
Oh, my boy Drizzy. West verse 6, homie. Yeah, he's a dust. I'll tell you right now, who won? RC Fun, fucking YouTube, man. Show some love, subscribe.
Hey! I started at 2.5.
Boom.
Yo, that was a smooth ass takeoff. You got that set up like that? Keep going. Yeah.
Faster than Fuck yeah. That's 3 times the battery.
It's a lot of spinning when I turn it up now. Shit turned up too much. More speed.
I ain't even going nowhere.
All you had to do was come out. Oh.
Oh shit, I can't see. Y'all can't see. Hey. Damn, I should keep going.
So you know it's gonna spin.
Whoa, that shit did the done. Damn, that's a 2.
Cody was over there giving you some tune tips, huh?
That's a 2-2. That's a 2-2.
I hope.
That's a 2-2.
It came out kind of slow. I gotta feel it with.
I got 4 more.
2-2.
2-2. 2-2. I told you.
Come on your wheel.
2013, ¿verdad? Mi madre lo compró el mismo. Con 70 y pico millas.
on that light, bro.
Yo, I'm scared to jump. I'm always jumping. Van a coger la tablilla y va a salir. Ay, hey, you don't got nothing on daddy,
It spun right out?
Yo compré todo.
I think I walked you down. Oh, I walked you down in the big end. Keep going. Don't be afraid. Keep going.
Tony, ¿qué tú hiciste, cabrón?
Yeah. Boy put foams. We try some foams out on the XO1. See what he do.
Bye, baby!
Yeah, I was gonna smack his shit.
I know. Nice and easy, bro. Nice and easy. That's it. Just steer it through. That's it. There you go. Nah, go ahead. Yo.
I ain't playing no more. I wish I had my Facebook.
And he went through my lane.
And still beat him, though, you heard?
No, you win in your lane.
Oh, okay. Yo, I count. Yo, where my car go?
I don't even know. Damn. Got the XO1 versus the Street Eliminator. Yeah, that's how you get down through there, though.
Whoa.
You almost needed a whole new car.
Yo, you see that one? I almost
Bring that yellow thing back. You almost needed a whole
Oh,
new
you want
car.
some smoke,
I need that
too?
yellow thing back.
He tried, took him out.
Yo, you love
Lo llevo directo a tu casa. Me dio 7,000. Me dio los 7 completos.
Slow, right?
Hey, don't break your shit. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Turned up. Nah. I turned up too much. That was on me.
I thought you just didn't want to hit me. I'm like,
Nah. Damn it. She's still running though, baby.